Hello friends, hope doing good. Now I'll show you how to delete wallpaper from your iPhone. Alright, so I'll show you how to delete wallpaper. So if you know how you can delete wallpaper, then you can ignore this video. And if you want to learn, then you can stay with me. I'll show you. Alright. So if you want to remove wallpaper, then you just go to the uh, home page. Lock screen. Alright. Now showing the lock screen. Now just tap here few seconds, then showing the sum option. Now which uh, wallpaper you want to remove, then you can just select and choose. For example, I want to remove this wallpaper, and this just swipe up little bit, then showing the delete icon. Then you can just tap here, then just confirm. Now showing the confirmation pop up, you can just choose the delete this wallpaper. Yeah, now it is the delete. That's it. They're pretty easy and you can do this, and let me know if you have any query, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.